Hello, my name is Jonathan and I'm a product manager with Autoform. I want to invite you to an upcoming short webinar that deals with the topic of geometry workflow. It's a topic we approach quite often, but it's also one that's overlooked. The overall full process from concept all the way through production. Each step of the way, there's a substantial amount of your time that's spent dealing with creation and modification of geometry. We usually take this kind of for granted. We just know it has to happen, and we use the tools that are available to do so. But there could be a better way. There could be some small changes to either the tools that you use or the methodologies that you engage in within your organization to have a better, more efficient result. The goal is to have this more streamlined process, saving a little bit of time here and there so that your analysis, your compensation schemes, the robustness of the process that you're engineering can also be at a higher level. Because we know we need to build what we simulate, so therefore what we simulate needs to be very close and possible to be built. Join me, bring your questions and your attitude to engage with us, and I hope to see you there.